Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. In today's video, we are going to see morning routine vlog. Today's menu is multi-grain pulao and soft idlis. Previous night I have cleaned my kitchen so that we will have a free mind while cooking early morning and soaked some multi-grains. Next day morning I am assembling everything into their places. And first thing I'm going to soak the rice. Here I'm taking 1 cup of basmati rice. You can either use normal rice. Washed it 2 to 3 times and soaked it well. For multi-grains, here I have taken 1 gram of green moong dal, 2 grams of horse gram, 2 spoons of double beans and 1 spoon of Kabuli chana or black chana dal, etc. Here I have taken all the ingredients required for the pulao and idli and for chutney from the refrigerator and kept aside. By doing like this, you can save an extra time. And this is a green paste. Adding 1 cup of coriander and 1 cup of mint leaves in 1:1 ratio, and added 2 green chilies, 1 inch of ginger, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 spoon of fennel, and grind them into a paste. I have grinded it previous night and kept in the fridge. In meanwhile, I am going to chop all the vegetables required for the multigrains pulao. I always used to store the lemons in a bottle by extracting its juice, so it lasts for 10 to 20 days. In meanwhile, I kept in pressure cooker, add 2 spoons of oil and some masala ingredients like 2 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 bay leaf, and saute it well on a medium flame. Try out the lemon juice tips and green paste. You can use this as a green chutney or you can use this for even pulao. Here I have taken 2 medium sized onions, 1 tomato and 1 carrot and 4 to 5 beans, potato and some vegetables. You can even add cauliflower, capsicum, etc. While chopping tomato, chop it roughly. It gives a good taste to the pulao. Once all the spices are sorted well, add sliced onions and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it well until onion turns golden brown and raw smell goes from ginger garlic paste. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any notification of my videos. Add 1 cup of chopped coriander and mint leaves and salt. Add roughly chopped tomatoes and saute it well. And for idli, here I am going to prepare peanut chutney. After 5 to 8 minutes, add the green paste, that is coriander and mint leaves paste, and saute it well and cook it for about 5 minutes. On the other hand, I am going to prepare idlis. Once the green paste is cooked, now add all the chopped vegetables into the pressure cooker and saute it well. Now add the multi-grains. Mix it well. Here I added about 1 cup of 250 grams of multi-grains and the remaining I am going to use it as an evening snacks. Now add 2 spoons of red chili powder, half spoon of garam masala and required amount of water. Here I am adding 1:2 ratio. And add 2 spoons of lemon juice. You can even add curd. and mix it well. Keep your flame on medium high. Now add the soaked basmati rice. Mix it well, and at last, if it is required, add salt and mix it well and pressure it under for 2 whistles on medium high flame. On the other side, I am mixing the batter for idli. Here I have given a small tips in last video how to grind idli and dosa batter in mixer blender without getting hotter and to get a fluffy and soft idlis. Please check out my playlist. I will try to give the link in the description box. This one pot meal multigrain pulao is a full of vitamins and proteins, a perfect lunchbox recipe. Do try it. On the side by side, I'm washing my vessels, which saves my extra time. For the side dish, you can prepare a onion raita or carrot raita. After 2 whistles, leave it to cool. In meanwhile, I am going to prepare a coffee. On the other hand, my idli is also ready. I am going to roast the peanuts for the peanut chutney. Here I will show you how soft my idli is. You can see, very soft and smooth. Do try this tip at home. Once pressure is released, open the pressure and let it cool for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, gently mix it so the rice will be grainy. At last, add chopped coriander and mix it. Here our multigrain pulao is ready. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. Don't forget to subscribe.